Hello students, now I am going to explain about what is called Cartesian plane. Let us see, this is a plane paper or plane surface. Now we have to divide the plane surface and we need to notice a point on it. On this plane surface, what is this point? On this plane surface, what is this point? A point is a simple cross like two axes. So where is that point? We have to read the point where it is. So to identify any point on a plane surface, first of all we have to divide the plane at the center into four parts. So take, and we need a perpendicular bisection or a perpendicular line. So we have two lines are there. They are perpendicular to each other. Now at the center of this point we can call it as an origin. From the origin to the left side we have a equal divisions like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and so on. We have division, and from the origin to the left side we have negative integers like -1, like -2, -3, -4 and so on. So this is just like a number line. Now another number line is vertical to this line. So this is a horizontal line. Horizontal line, and we can call it as x-axis, and we have a vertical line, therefore we can call it as y-axis. Now the positive side of x-axis called as x-axis, and the negative side of x-axis can be called as x dash, and the positive side of y-axis is called y, and the negative side of y-axis is called y dash. Now in the same way, divide the x-axis positive side 1, 2, 3. There must be equal division, and we should not have any discrimination. All the divisions are in equal. That means same 1 centimeter or any unit, 1 unit, 3, 4, they are negative, 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 negative and so on. Now here if you observe, the plane paper divided into 4 parts. This part, the first part, the second, the third and the fourth. Therefore we can call it as 4 quadrants. Each one is called quadrant. This is the first quadrant because here x-axis and y-axis. X-axis is positive, y-axis is also positive, and this is quadrant 2, anti-clockwise direction. So first of all we have to see only x-axis. So x-axis, y-axis. X-axis is a negative, y-axis is positive. Now come to the third quadrant, quadrant 3. First x-axis and then we have y-axis. Now x-axis is a negative, y-axis is also negative. And for the fourth quadrant, in the same way, here we have x-axis and y-axis. x-axis is positive, y-axis is negative. So we have divided the whole plane into 4 quadrants. This division or this plane, we can call it as Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane means a plane divided in this manner like x-axis and y-axis with the 4 quadrants is called the Cartesian plane. So a point can be denoted any point. So this is I am writing here for an example. This is 4, 3. First of all, we have to take x-axis side. How many points? From 1 2 3 4 points from the origin, and y-axis side 3 points from the origin, 1 2 3, and this is the representation of a point. This is a point on Cartesian plane. Now we have first quadrant points are there. Example for the second quadrant, or yes, you can say -3, 2. So -3, 2 belongs to second quadrant. You can say -4, -7. -4, -7 belongs to third quadrant. And here 3, -2. 3, -2 belongs to fourth quadrant. Likewise, we have 4 quadrants, and we can represent a point like this. This is just, you have to read 4, 3. If you don't read comma, then there is no meaning for the point. So you have to read 3, -2, and here you have to read -4, -7. Here you have to read -3, 2. So like that we have 4 quadrants. That's all. And we have that means 3.2 exercise. 2 questions are there regarding this Cartesian plane to understand the 4 quadrants. That's all.